First impressions of the Surron Ultra B. Yeah, I mean, definitely ride this over some freaking side-by-side. Alright, sport mode. Smart shocks?
Yeah, dude.
Buddy.
Add the other one here.
I mean, it ain't gonna go where the Jeep goes. Oh, guys, I can already tell this one's a blast, too. So this is the Surron Ultra B. I've been waiting a couple years. This thing's been teased for a couple years. This has got about the power of the Light B after they popped up. I rode the Light B out here. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. But for a fat, out-of-shape dad like me, the Ultra B wasn't quite enough power, especially on tracks like this. That was all rear brake. Nice. This thing is enough power for anybody to have fun on. I'll tell you that right now. Obviously, it's not quite as stable as the big heavy Stark I've been riding out here, but it's nimble. This thing is going to shine in single track without a doubt. This thing is sick. Whoa, almost lost the front wheel there. So this thing's got a 19-inch front and a 19-inch rear. And let me tell you guys, you can feel it. Like, it's a little dancy because the rear is not much wider than the front. I think it's a 90 on the back maybe, and it's an 80 on the front. I can tell like this thing's gonna be the ultimate like beginner dirt bike, but it's a beginner dirt bike that you can ride forever no matter how good you get. You could buy this bike and you'll never have to buy another one again unless you're doing hardcore motocross. And where this thing's really gonna shine is single track. Yeah, I would say unless if you're up in the air about a Light B or an Ultra B, unless you're a very small person, just go ahead and get the Ultra B, man. It's a little bit more money, but it's got the same feeling, the same body style, most of the same utility. and but it has so much extra utility. What?
Anything over there in them weeds?
These weeds?
Yeah. Here, so I can go in a straight line and hit this jump.
You can go in a straight line without going through these weeds. You mean in the grass down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. It's just grass. Now this face hasn't been like,
I see it.
it's in rough shape. It might throw you weird.
Yeah.
So don't hit it too fast. But yeah, no, you can go right through that field. There's nothing laying out there. You're good. This thing is amazing.
You like it?
Would never touch a light bee again. This is perfect.
Right?
Single track is where this thing is gonna kill.
Yeah.
I think this will be faster than my 300.
That's
No.
what I was saying, dude. Like.